In this video, I will show you 5 different examples on how to format date using bash script. So let's see how it works. In example 1, I will show you how to format date in year, month, and day format. So let's see it in details. So first I will create a script named format1.sh. For this I will use the nano command. Now over here I will edit my script. So I will start with the shebang line as usual. Now I'll define a variable today which will be set to a command substitution of the date command with specific format specifiers. So I'll use $sign and parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I'll write the date command, then plus sign to add the format specifier. The format specifier will be %y for the year, %m for month, and %d for the day. And they will be separated by hyphens. Next, I will print the date. So I'll use the echo command, and to access the variable, I will use $sign, then write the variable name, which is today. My script is complete, so I'll save using Ctrl S and exit using Ctrl X. Now I will execute the script. So first I will provide the executable file permission. For this I will use the chmod command. Now I will execute the script using // notation. As you can see, it prints today's date in year, month, and day format. Next, in second example, I will show you how to print date in year, month, day format, but it is slightly different from the first one. Let's see how it works. First, I will create a script named format2.sh. Now I will edit my script. So I will start with the shebang line. Now I will define a variable today, which will be set to the command substitution of the date command and the format specifier. So I will use $sign and then parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis I'll write the date command, then plus to add the format specifiers. Now in this example, I will print date using 2 digits, not 4 digits, like 2023, so it will print 23. So I'll use the small letter y like this, and for month I will use %m hyphen, and for day I'll use %e. Now I'll print my variable to show the output. For this I'll use $sign, then write the name of the variable. It's today. My script is complete. So I'll save using Ctrl S, exit using Ctrl X. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it gives the output in a different format. First the year part, so it is 2023. So it will print the last 2 digits, which is 23. Then the month, which is December. So for that, it gives 12. And today's date, which is 13. In example 3, I will show you how to format date using the weekday, month date, and year format. So let's see how it works. For this case, I have already created a script named format3.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line, then I have defined a variable today which is set to a command substitution where I have combined the date command with some format specifiers. The format specifier %a means the weekday, %b means month, hyphen %d gives the day, and %y gives the year. So let's see the output. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it prints first Wednesday, which is the weekday, then December, which is the month, then hyphen, then 13, which is today's date, and comma, then today's year. If I go back to the script again, %a stands for the weekday, then %b stands for the month, hyphen, then %d stands for today's date, and %y stands for today's year. In example 4, I will show you how to format the current day of the date command using bash scripts. So let's see how it works. For this, I have already created a script named format4.sh. Here I've started with the shebang line, then defined a variable today which is set to a command substitution of the date command combined with the format specifier %u. Now this will count today's date in a numerical format. Now this format specifier starts with Monday and counts it as 1. Then as the weekday goes from Monday to Friday, it increments by 1. Since today is Wednesday, it will show 3. As Monday is 1, so Tuesday is 2, then Wednesday will be 3. So let's see the output. Now I will execute the script to see the output. As you can see, it counts the day of the week as 3. Since Monday is 1, Tuesday is 2, Wednesday is 3. So like this, it goes to Sunday and prints 7. Lastly, in example 5, I will show you how to format date in the 24-hour clock format. So let's see how it works. For this case, I have already created a script named format5.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line, then defined a variable ctime, meaning current time, which is set to a command substitution of the date command combined with multiple format specifiers, starting with %h, which gives the hour in 24-hour format, then %m for minutes and %s for seconds. Then I have printed the variable to see the current time in 24-hour format. So let's see the output. Now I will execute the script. As you can see, it gives the time in 24-hour format. So this was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the video description below. Also, the script files will be provided to download. Thank you for watching.